Welcome back to the studio, and in this video we are breaking down a heated hand-folding Twitter or X exchange shaking up Ugandan political media circles. We have got some explosive screenshots here and we are going through them post by post, name by name, and reply by reply. Let's dive straight in. In case you didn't know, Otto yesterday cried when asking where is Maria Matembe. You can see this brief clip.
Advanced age. You can't treat people like that. You can't. We are citizens. We are not slaves. And you say you're PLU?
The fire is lit by Daudi Kabanda, who posted direct attack on major media house, writing even NBS should be closed. The stage managed Otto to cry in their studios. The response from former member of parliament, Odonga, comes in hot just 36 minutes later, completely holding nothing back. He replies, "You have booked your seat in Uganda's indelible history, never to be harassed, only waiting for the verdict. Your ears never pass your head. The path of human rights I took has no congestion, but nincompoops like you dead neck upwards prefer that path of congestion, baboon monarch." Right below that, we see a glimpse of a reply from a jock starting a historical callback in the 70s when the late occurred. There's also a hot message from Jacofred. Jacofred is from Kitgum and is warning that nothing must happen to Dr. Odonga. I think that is the warning to hold Acholi. And that's all. Because he's saying that the way things are happening, even if you have done nothing, like the way Odonga has done nothing, could easily be a target. So, this is, I think, a representation of a broader Ugandans. Many Ugandans are awake, and what is happening in Acholi, they say it has passed the nose of a dog. So I think Jago Fred's warning is real, and you can check this clip from him.
With the current trends of arrest, abductions, we say nothing should happen to Odonga. As Northern Uganda, we are saying nothing should happen to Odonga, because if Odonga disappears, this country is going to go down, because it will be very clear that the government does not want to maintain peace, that the government does not love its people. So we are saying nothing should happen to Odonga, because with what we saw, Lukwago disappeared, Maria Matembe came up speaking about the arrest of Lukwago. Maria Matembe also disappeared. Now we saw yesterday Odonga spoke for the disappearance of Maria Matembe. The moment Odonga disappears, then all hell will break loose. I have to tell you guys, all hell will break loose, because it is now clear that this government is ready to torture the citizens. For how long are we going to sit and watch? For how long are we going to sit and leave people to torture us? For crying out loud, we are Ugandans. The government should protect the rights of the citizens. If the government now has no capacity, let them declare that they cannot now protect the citizens, because the government has failed.
Moving on, Dr. Odonga takes the fight directly to his main timeline, posting a picture of Daudi Kabanda clad in a mustard yellow Patriotic League of Uganda colored shirt. Odonga captions the photo with a philosophical jab, explicitly tagging his rival. There's a difference between being a human being and being human, and it takes a lot to know the difference. Daudi Kabanda. Finally, we look at how the public is reacting in the reply section of that exact post. The commentators are largely siding with Odonga, bringing state politics and faith into the mix. Maridai Kamagara replies, "Just leave him. Ugandans are silently watching his bad actions against the opponent. using state resources, reckless speaking, using wrong choice of words has made some of us who used to love Big Bro MK dividend. God is also watching him. Sharafi follows up shortly after with a similar sentiment. Just leave him. If we all as Ugandans can't handle him, God will handle him. Mbogo Okinawa Ben adds an analytical layer to the breakdown, writing, I'm sure very few will understand my big brother's post. Ugandans are presently in a state of despair, pain, and untold stress. Now that is a textbook example of how fast political discourse escalates online, from accusing media houses of staging tears to deep philosophical debates on what it means to be human in the political landscape. What do you think about Odonga's choice of words here? Let me know, and I will see you in the next episode.